SME sector. We believe that small and medium scale industry, the tourism industry, could get a helping hand by having an event like this. During the days, the 4 to 5 days of the Hikkadua Beach Fest last year, we did a research. 130 million got into the local economy of Hikkadua. You can get a room in Hikkadua, shutters which were closed. We saw them having a kickstart and starting their businesses again. This year with peace dawning, we expect a major crowd. Last time there was over 10,000. We expect a greater number this time because this is the first event after Prabhakaran and the fascist LTT has been killed and peace dawning in this country. The Hikkadua Beach Fest is a major attraction for the youth in this country. The youth of this country was starved for events of this nature. Primarily, events of this nature could not be held because there were security concerns. But now with peace dawning, we believe that we should have a calendar year. We have events of this nature right throughout the year so that by having events in various parts of Sri Lanka, we could empower the SME sector in those areas. This is not, Hikkadua Beach Fest is not about having only a good time. It's a way of helping the local population move forward. And I believe that we would continue to have the Hikkadua Beach Fest. And now I see that this can be branded as an international event. We see a great interest in India, in Maldives, and also in Malaysia. We expect a great number of foreign participation for the Beach Fest this year. Well, last time there was numbers, but the numbers was not that great because peace was paramount in promoting Sri Lanka tourism. And now with peace dawning, Sri Lanka tourism is having a major kickstart. June figures itself shows a positive growth of 8%, and we believe that Sri Lankan tourism will have a growth year after year, as His Excellency has declared to 2016 as the year that we should get 2.5 million tourists, and we are gearing for that. We require another 35,000 rooms. We are working out a strategy to achieve that target, and also 2011 has been declared a Visit Sri Lanka year. This clearly shows His Excellency President Mahinda Rajapaksa has given Sri Lanka tourism great importance in our economy.